let's understand how the Digital Personal Data Protection Bill tabled in the Parliament changes how our data will be used. First, this bill will apply to the processing of digital personal data within and outside India. A key provision is of consent. It says that personal data may be processed only for a lawful purpose for which an individual has given consent. But this consent will be considered given in some cases, such as performance of any function under a law, specified public interest purposes such as national security, provision of a service or a benefit by the government as well. So government companies such as SBI and BSNL don't need to take your consent to use and process your data. Next, it gives the power to the government to be exempt from any data protection provisions on the grounds of national security, maintenance of public order, among others. This raises the concern about right to privacy. Next, data fiduciaries, which are individuals or groups that determine the purpose and means of processing personal data, for example Google, will be responsible to keep your data safe. They will also have to delete the data once its purpose has been met. Next, the bill gives us all the right to information, to know what personal data of ours is being processed, for what activities and where has it been shared. You will also have the right to correct or erase your data that has been stored. The Data Protection Board will be formed for compliance. The centre will establish this board, which raises a concern about the independent functioning of this. The board can also impose penalties. Another important point, the centre gets the power to notify countries or territories outside India to which data fiduciaries can transfer our data. With all these highlights, the bill has been tabled in the Parliament after being in the works for 5 years.